Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, December the 16th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and two puzzles are left: the jigsaw Sudoku and this binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. Binary puzzle number 7632. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 26 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 5 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, double O, here 1, there 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. And here, double 1, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, between the ones comes an O. Well. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then, okay. Then, let me think. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me think. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. And 1, sorry, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, in 5 minutes. We solved again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.